Your kitchen is the heart of your home, but even small design mistakes can turn it into a source of frustration and costly repairs. In 2026, modern kitchens are all about functionality, smart layouts, and stylish design, so avoiding common mistakes is crucial. In this video, we'll explore 6 kitchen mistakes you must avoid, helping you create a space that is both beautiful and practical for years to come. Mistake 1. Poor layout planning. One of the most common kitchen mistakes is ignoring proper layout planning. Crowded workspaces, awkward corners, and poorly positioned appliances make cooking and daily use frustrating. In 2026, the focus is on efficient modular layouts, L-shaped, U-shaped, or islands, ensuring smooth workflow between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. A well-planned layout saves time, improves comfort, and increases your kitchen's functionality. Mistake 2. Not prioritizing storage. A kitchen without adequate storage quickly becomes cluttered. Many homeowners underestimate the importance of cabinets, drawers, and pantry space. Modern kitchens in 2026 emphasize smart storage solutions, like pull-out racks, corner carousels, and built-in organizers. Proper storage keeps your kitchen organized, reduces countertop clutter, and enhances the overall aesthetic appeal. Mistake 3. Overlooking lighting. Lighting is often overlooked but is crucial for functionality and ambience. Poorly lit kitchens can feel dull and make tasks like chopping and cooking difficult. In 2026, layered lighting is trending. Combine ambient ceiling lights, under-cabinet task lighting, and accent lights over islands. Good lighting not only enhances visibility but also makes your kitchen look stylish and inviting. Mistake 4. Choosing the wrong materials. Using low-quality or unsuitable materials can lead to damage, stains, and frequent replacements. Countertops, cabinets, and flooring need to withstand moisture, heat, and daily use. In 2026, durable and luxurious materials like engineered stone, high-quality laminates, and water-resistant woods are popular. Choosing the right materials now saves you from costly repairs and replacements later. Mistake 5. Ignoring ventilation. Many kitchens suffer from poor ventilation, leading to lingering odors, smoke, and grease buildup. A well-ventilated kitchen in 2026 includes range hoods, exhaust fans, or even smart ventilation systems. Proper airflow keeps your kitchen fresh, prevents damage to surfaces, and creates a comfortable cooking environment. Mistake 6. Forgetting style and cohesion. Functionality is important, but style should not be ignored. Mismatched cabinets, clashing colors, or outdated finishes can make even a functional kitchen feel chaotic. Modern kitchens in 2026 combine sleek modular units, coordinated color palettes, and premium finishes to create a cohesive, elegant, and contemporary space. A stylish kitchen not only looks beautiful but adds value to your home. Bonus tip: invest in smart features. Smart appliances, pull-out organizers, and motorized cabinets are trending in 2026. They enhance convenience, efficiency, and modern appeal, making your kitchen a space that's both practical and luxurious. Avoiding these 6 common mistakes will save you money, stress, and frustration while giving you a modern, stylish, and functional kitchen. For premium kitchen designs, smart storage solutions, and expert interior tips for 2026, visit fixitdubai.ae, your go-to destination for luxury home interiors and contemporary kitchen makeovers. Transform your kitchen with elegance, efficiency, and modern style, only with Fix It Dubai.